Alright, so it's a beautiful sunny day and we're working on the 1997 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL. And I'm getting the issue solved of the melted lines, which now we have a new one, thanks to Napa. There's a part number on there if you need one of those. Anyway, I thought this went from one side to the other, but it does. But what happens is this is going to go here on the top of that. It'll get routed down and around behind your EGR valve, and it'll go back in here, and it plugs in right over there like that. Okay, I'm going to have to get something to make that a little snugger, but that shouldn't be too difficult. Okay, and then this will plugs into the PCV valve. It'll go in underneath there. Into that hole. I'll have to remove that. And then it'll come in and around and go right into this, right there. That sits down behind your coil, or on top your coil pack, but behind it also. But it actually gets bolted down with the same bolts. That's why I had to pull the coil pack again, which is now sitting right down there. So I almost got the whole thing solved, except I haven't found this hose yet. So if you know where that comes from, give me a shout out. Right now I'm looking for it. So that's it with what's going on with the 1997 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL. We're getting the vacuum lines all routed. And this is John Rudy telling you, have a nice day.